Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to remove multiple friends on Snapchat. The first way is the slowest way, but you can do that by going to chat, tap on someone's name, tap on the three dots right in the top, manage friendship, and then tap on remove friends. The other way that is much quicker is go back, tap left in the top on your profile, scroll down to My Friends, and from here you will see the list with all your friends. From here, if you hold your finger on a name and then do Manage Friendship, you can delete your friends from here. This is much quicker because all your friends are standing right here, and this is my way how I delete multiple accounts on Snapchat. If you find this helpful, please consider subscribing and give a like, and thanks for watching.